We're upgrading the Gladiator with a winch, tires, batteries, and an affordable steel bumper from Amazon. And it didn't go according to plan. Around here, we may be stuck, but never lost. Alrighty, this is our Amazon special. We sanded it down a little bit just to scuff it up, and putting on Rust-Oleum truck bed liner. I'm going to do probably 3 coats on that, a couple of coats on that, and so that'll make it a lot more ding resistant when we're out bushwhacking. What was the name of these lights that you're installing?
These are just Aux Beam fog lights.
For this first upgrade, our mechanic friend Emil helped us install this bumper that we found on Amazon. We didn't know what to expect at this price point, but honestly, first impressions were pretty solid. The bumper felt strong without being overly heavy, which is important because we didn't want to add a lot of weight to the front of the Jeep. The biggest reason we went with this one? It was under $700. For comparison, I got a quote for an OEM factory Rubicon bumper and it came in at over $5,000. We just couldn't justify that expense.
That's just the perfect distance to hit my head, yeah. So, I'll be unconscious when you guys drive me to the hospital. Oh, I'm actually really shocked.
We may have cheaped out on the bumper, but we definitely didn't cheap out on this winch. This is the Warren Xeon XD10S 10,000 pound winch. We found it on Amazon for about $2,200. This is one area that we didn't want to gamble. A reliable winch isn't an option. You need to be able to self-rescue. What we did cheap out on was that screwdriver.
High-end shit. Yeah, I just wanted to get it lined up and then better. Funny if the whole winch didn't fly off. Cheap Chinese shit. You get your side and then I'll get mine.
At this point, things stopped going according to plan. So the question was, do we put it together or not put it together? The answer is, do not put it together.
Too many layers, you just can't line everything up.
The guys just couldn't get those bolt holes to line up, so they pulled the whole thing off, tore it apart, and started again.
For fuck's sakes.
Can't say that on YouTube.
I don't know how you could do this for a fucking living, let me tell you, man.
Okay. He who has wee fingers puts the bottom nut on.
You want to wreck your horn sticker here? Well, it's got to go on. Like, gotta get this.
Yes. It wasn't perfect, and the guys had to really wrestle it around to get those bolt holes to line up properly. And a few of the welds looked a little messy. Not a deal breaker, but definitely something to keep an eye on.
So chances are it was probably a guy with a piece of cardboard with a piece of 9 glass holding it over his face. You've seen the videos in India?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's say the quality welding job they're talking about. Ooh la la. Okay, he wasn't drunk there, and then he got drunk right there. How many supervisors do you need for this?
This is almost a government job if you have one more supervisor.
The next stop was our friend's garage so we could install the Genesis dual battery system. The The whole point of this dual battery setup is pretty simple. You can run all of your accessories like your fridge, compressor, lights, and your winch without draining your starting battery. No matter what happens when you're overlanding, you'll always be able to start your Jeep. This kind of upgrade just makes sense.
What do you mean you don't need that anymore?
Fuse button. You just stick all the wires together. It works great.
Hey Mikey, you want some more tequila? Try that again. Some more mezcal. Some basketball. I got this, I got this. I don't know.
This install was pretty clean and straightforward. After it was all wired up, it looked factory. Last stop, wheels and tires. Alright, so Dr. Google says the red dot takes precedence as it is the high point.
And we want this to be the outside.
We went with the Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws. These are beefy 35-inch tires, and we paired them with 17-inch Method race wheels bead grips. Epic Adventure Outfitters had a yard sale and we scored these for a 50% discount. The bead grip design allows you to air down your tire really low without the fear of it popping off the rim. Being able to air down makes a huge difference in traction and ride quality.
You're trying not to be scared, aren't you?
Jump scare.
Let it off. How many PSI is it?
Yeah.
It's got a bit to go yet. It usually pops around 30.
We had to go down to Canadian Tire and get some different lug nuts. I mean, theoretically that's the same size, but they definitely look bigger. Honestly, once these upgrades went on, the whole look of the Jeep changed. Overall, we're really happy how this turned out. Nothing's been tested yet. Now it's time to get out and use it. If you want to check out any of the gear from this build, links are in the description. Some of them are affiliate links. Thanks for watching. Around here, we may be stuck, but never lost.